Hey guys, welcome to Proto Point. So this is the second part of the Flutter tutorials for beginners. So in this video, we will install Flutter to our Android Studio. So for that, first of all, you required Java to be installed in your operating system. So as you can see, Java has already been installed in my Windows operating system. So second thing we need is Git. Just search over there in Google Git and you will get a website Git. So you need to install this Git in your operating system. So currently I'm making use of Windows. So it is showing me Windows. So if you are using Mac or you are using Linux, you can download it from here. Just download it and install. So I have already installed Git in my operating system. So second thing is uh, go to your Android, open your Android Studio, and keep in mind that do not open any projects. Okay, so here there is a configuration option, and over there is the option called as plugins. Just open it. It will open a window for you. In Marketplace, just search for Flutter. So as you can see, the first option it is. I have already installed it. It will show you button something like this. Just you need to press and install it. After pressing this button, it will show you a pop-up showing that do you want to install Dart. You just need to install Dart also in your Windows. So as you can see, I have already installed Dart. So when you install Flutter, it will ask you option to install Dart. So you just need to click on S and next and OK. It will just take some 5 to 10 seconds to install both the packages. Okay, so after that, after installing, it will ask you one pop-up showing that do you want to restart your Android Studio? Just restart it. After restarting, you will get this window with one more option that is create new Flutter project. Just create it. Under here, there are various Flutter projects that you can create. Application, plugin, packages, and modules you need to create. Then just click on next. So here, so first time when you open, there will be no SDK installed in your operating system. So here that you can see one button to install this SDK. Just press over there and then just install the SDK. Just hit the next button. So it will get installed. Okay, and then all done means your Flutter is now installed in your Android Studio, so you can use it. So create a new project. For dummy purpose, I'm making a dummy name to your project, and then just hit next. Creating of new project may take some time, about 2 to 3 minutes. So I just fast forward over here. So now our Flutter project has been created in our Android Studio. So let's check out the structure. So there are folders for Android, iOS, and web, and there are some packages, the packages and some configuration that we will check out in next upcoming videos. So main thing is there is a file called as pub.specification.yaml file. Here it is same as your Gradle file in Android Studio. Here by making use of this you can add uh, external libraries dependencies, and you can give image path, font for path, and everything. okay, that we will check out in our upcoming videos. Okay, so now I will just run this default code that is being given by Flutter team. Okay, so I will just open my emulator, means my physical device that is being connected with USB. Okay, so this is my physical device. I will just run this app in my physical device now. Okay, so as you can see, the default code that is been provided by Flutter is got run on my physical device. So this is the code. So default Flutter code is been running in our physical device. So as you can see, when a button is been pressed, it will just increment text by one. It is just a simple counter app. So as you know that fast reload feature is there in our Flutter. So I will just change the text over here to show you a demo. And I will just enter Control S. So as you can see, it got reflected in our Flutter app within a fraction of second. This is the best feature of Flutter for a developer so that he can test the app very fast. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Protocol's Point.